Hey guys, it's Elite Equity here, and today we're going to talk about Netflix. Netflix really took a plunge as subscribers actually decreased, and also they're thinking of a new Netflix subscription that has it's ad based, so they can lower their price cost. Everyone knows Netflix in the last few months raised their prices, so people are unsubscribing from it. So they lost a lot of subscribers, and the stock reflects that. Right now, they're trading at 258.65, which is insane to me. It lost 25% after earnings. If we zoom out, the weekly chart is down 25%, 30% the monthly chart, 3-month chart 50%, and then 52% the yearly, and in the 5-year chart is only up 79%. It's right now it's at what, 258? It's almost as low. Oh my god, now it's at 2019. Almost low of 2018. So right now that means like you're literally getting in, like imagine getting in at 2018. And if you could ride it back to, let's say, 400 or 500, you'll literally make 100% right now from where it's currently at. And that means from 2018 to right now, that means all the cash flow they made, it just dissipated just because of this bad earnings. Like, that is insane to me. I still believe, it was it was one of the top companies. It was FANG, right? That's what it stands for, Netflix. That was one of the companies there. So it's kind of insane to me. I still think it's a good company. It's in, SPY. It's in the index funds. I think people will continue to buy it. I think right now a lot of stocks are getting manipulated. It's like not just your stocks are down. Everyone's stocks are down. Indices continue to outperform and do way better. And it's less volatile than these individual tech stocks or growth stocks. But at this current price, I don't know. Like, if you guys don't have a position, I recommend getting in. Honestly, at 258, like, you're getting in prices at 2018. So you're like, honestly, you can ride it up for 100% profit if you're in it for the long run. If you believe in Netflix, shows come out. Squid Game did phenomenal numbers. A lot of people still use it. I don't see myself not using it. And this is a subscription that I use. So obviously, I'm a supporter of it at this price. I never bought in yet. If I thank God when stocks go down and if you don't have a position in it. This is a beautiful opportunity. I say buy the dip, dollar cost average into it now. And in the overall stock market, things have been volatile. Keep a huge cash position. I would say save up cash. And if there's 3 to 5 stocks that you really believe in, dollar cost average weekly into it. Bitcoin, crypto markets, Bitcoin's literally been bouncing off 42K, going back to 38K. No one knows what's going to happen. That's the support and resistance as of now. Really, they think by next month there's going to be another interest rate hike of 25 basis points, which means 0.25%. They're actually the Fed is actually targeting 50 basis point by end of year, so 0.5%. So there's that. Like I always say, like, if you want a company that you really believe in and want to invest your money in and safely, like, this really taught us a lot of things. During COVID, if there's like a big event, that's when you buy the dip. And now you realize, like, holy shoot, maybe we were, there's so many things going on in the world economically. We're printing money, inflation, that now it's kind of showing us like the real value of the stock, right? Let's see how Berkshire Hathaway did actually on a day like this. Like, let's see if he, stood the test of time. All right, let's see. This guy doesn't miss. I swear, like, Berkshire Hathaway yet again, still at a good, good pace, as you guys can tell. Still at 1 year, 5 year. Just this guy literally doesn't miss. I'm telling you, this is the safest index that you could really store your money in. It has a diversification of all types of companies. So it has high dividend yield companies. It has freaking everything you could think of, from oil to everything. Literally every type of company. So there's that for stocks. I think that's all I have for today. So Elite Equity out. Thank you guys.